Hey, what up everybody? It's Ian, also known as the Bay Area Sequoia, and it has been a while and it's good to see you guys again. We finally got the rig back, so today our project is going to be the Trailed Online 14-gallon tank, which is called the BoonDocker. This is an onboard water setup that you don't have to remove in order to fill it or drain it. So we're going to be going over our parts list. We're going to be listing everything in the description below and what we use and how we built it. So let's go over the parts that we're going to be using for this project. So we're going to be needing the PVC hose. That'll be in the description below. We're going to be needing some pipe thread. These quick disconnects. These are just regular garden hose quick disconnects. These as well, these brass ones, it depends on what you're going to be using for your setup. And then you're going to be needing a 3/4, I think this is 1/2-inch barb, and this is 3/4 GHT, which is garden hose thread. The items that I'm going to be listing below, they do come in packs, so I do have extras. I just wanted to show you guys for the video. You can also be needing worm clamps. You can use any shower hose you want. You can make these quick disconnect, but this is the one I got off Amazon. And yeah, so let's just go over this and go more into detail. It's pretty simple. I know it is challenging when you're thinking about it, but it took some time for me to think about it. But I did get it over with, and I got it, I think, dialed in. But it will need some little upgrades later down the road to make it a little bit of a cleaner setup. But for now, it's gonna work because we're going out this weekend, and I want to get it out there and show everybody our cool new setup. All right, guys. So here we have the kick-ass pressurized water pump. You're gonna need a 12-volt cigarette lighter plug. You can get this on Amazon or probably Home Depot or any Ace Hardware, one of those. So basically what you're gonna do, obviously you can connect red with red. Red is positive, black is negative. You do want to heat shrink these and make sure that you guys get a good connection. Basically these have 90-degree bends, so it's easier to just face the direction out. What I did was, I do have the 1/2-inch barbs in here that hold it against the casing. It does work pretty well, and once you enclose this, the pump isn't as loud. But it has limited movement here. It has some movement. I just got to trim some of the tubing, but other than that, it works solid. I will be posting some videos of it working when we're out on the trail and some of the test videos as well. Basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna drill 4 holes and then add whatever bolts you're gonna use to fit it to the box so that it's not rattling around in there. Then just shoot these straight through. Use your drill bit to drill the holes. You want it to be a little tight so it can hold the hose. That way it's not wiggling around in there. So the way that these are held on here is pretty simple. So basically, the barbed end goes through the hole, and then you'll clamp it from the other side with the worm clamp. So the way that this one is set up, you have your quick disconnect fitting right here. Just wrap your pipe thread right there. You know, tighten this as much as you can. So, you know, pray that there is no leaks. I haven't had any leaks here other than the remaining water that's been flowing through the system. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna drill it, poke this through just like that, and then tighten it. See how this one doesn't wiggle as much as this one? Same thing with this one. You're gonna take your 1/2-inch barb, and this is the male end, and you're gonna be putting this one in here just like that with, don't forget to use your pipe thread and tighten this as much as you can, and then pray for no leaks, right? And it's just gonna go just like that. Then you'll take another one of the quick disconnects and then hook it up to the end of your shower hose, and then pretty much it just plugs in just like that. So I mean, that's pretty much it by installing the pump in the box and understanding how the way I set it up. You can do it any way you want. This is just the easiest way for anyone to understand, and then getting this out and then using it out on the trail. We'll be shooting some we'll be uploading some videos of us using it out the trail this weekend, but I definitely wanted to show you guys before because it's got me excited to use this out there and show everybody our new water tank setup. All right, so we got a little bit of bird noise in the background, but So as you guys can see, Trailed Online water tank is on the bottom. Here we have the inlet. So this right here is just your basic T with a 1/2 inch barb, female end. And then you have your quick disconnect, the brass, you can get these anywhere, but they'll be in the description below. So basically you just plug in your garden hose. When you're ready to fill it, just switch this valve on and then close it once it's done. Now we did drill an air vent into the tank itself to let us know when it's full. Once it's full, then we'll close that and then we'll close this valve. So then we're set up. So here is your outlet. This right here, you're gonna be attaching to your box. Right now we have it tied onto the water tank handles. So basically you'll just put that up like that. Either way, just for demonstration purposes, I'll just show you guys this way. So you take your water hose, just like this, slap that in there, open your box. It's easier with a switch, but I'll just show you guys this way. We'll have our 12-volt pump. Make sure to turn on your valves. So now it's pumping water from the tank into the pump, and now the hose is charged up. So let's check the stream. It's on jet mode right now. See how strong the stream is. It's going on to the next yard. So that's pretty good. If you ask me, that's pretty solid. You have like multiple selections on this nozzle. Regardless, center, cone, full, mist, jet, and shower. And here's your shower. Damn. So here it is. Full stream. Switch it to jet. That's good. So that's just our setup right there. We will get some more content for you guys, but it is a quick DIY. When you're done with this, all you got to do is turn off the valves, and then just quickly do a disconnect. Let's see, how does this one go? Oh, there we go. Same thing with this one. And then once you're done, you just let the box run dry, and then from there you're good to go. You can either use a power source like this, like the EcoFlow, or hook it up to your truck, depending on what you're using. But how we like to do it is just like that. All right, guys, so that has been a fun project. Shout out to Trailed Online for their 14-gallon water tank, the BoonDocker. It's also awesome to have an onboard water setup where you don't have to pressurize it by hand or by air. But if you guys are using our setup, make sure that you guys drain these. The water pump does still hold water, so we don't want you guys to get your trunk or your drawer setups wet. And same thing with the water hose. Just make sure you guys drain these too. But yeah, it's definitely gonna be a good 2025, hitting more trails. It's still early in the year, but it's good to see you guys again. We're out here on the Sequoia, and yeah, it's been a long journey, but we're getting back to it, and it's good to see you guys. So stay tuned, hit that like and subscribe, and everything we use in this video will be in the description below. Yee!